So hello all, welcome back to the UC shop. This is Kasim. So we are back with yet another short video series. So we are trying to bring some new collections to you all. So today what we have is this very beautiful semi-Dupion silk Banarsi. This sarees will be priced at rupees 1300 and the shipping will be free pan India. So we have different variety of designs and colors in this. So I'll just start showing you the very first. So this is the very first design of the saree in the semi-Dupion silk Banarsi fabric. So this, as you can see, is a very beautiful yellow color base of the saree with this zari woven traditional Banarsi booties in the complete body of the saree. And for the border part, we have this sky blue color jacquard Banarsi border, a very beautiful looking contrast yellow with sky blue contrast jacquard border. And for the pallu part, we have this very beautiful brocade pattern pallu of the pallu as well in the same sky blue shade. And this here is the blouse. So to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on a number given below and your order will be placed. So this was the very first saree, priced at rupees 1300 free shipping. So in that same saree, we have this second color, a very beautiful royal blue with sky blue combination as well. So this is the royal blue color body of the saree with sky blue border in the same design. All sizes are same price, 1300 free shipping. So the next saree we have is this very beautiful same fabric semi-Dupion silk. So this is the very next design. The color combination this we have is this very beautiful strawberry color. As you can see, the complete body of the saree is in very beautiful strawberry color base with this zari woven stripe pattern in the complete body of the saree. And for the border, we have this sky blue color jacquard floral border as well. Coming to the pallu, we have this same sky blue color contrast jacquard floral embossed pallu, a very decent looking rich pallu for this saree. And this here is a blouse. So this was the very third saree that we had to show. The same fabric, semi-Dupion silk, price at rupees 1300 free shipping. So in the same design, we have this second color, a very beautiful light peach color. We have this in 3D dyed pattern. So as you can see, the border is in two color dye. The very first is violet color and the above is red color. So this pattern we call 3D dye. So this is a complete body look. This will be a peach color body and this will be a border pattern. So this was the second color in this design. In the same design, we have one more color. This very beautiful sky blue color body of the saree with this light orange and maroon mixture 3D dye for the border part. So this is the body part in the sky blue color and this is the border. Same fabric, semi-Dupion silk Banarsi, and the price will be 1300 free shipping. So the next design we have is this very beautiful floral pattern design. I'll just open this for you as well. As you can see, the body is in very beautiful royal blue color base with this golden zari woven floral bootas or jal pattern in the complete body. And for the border part, we have this sky blue color contrast border, a very beautiful decent looking border as well. And for the pallu part, we have this zari woven beautiful rich Banarsi pallu, a very beautiful decent looking pallu as well. And this is your contrast blouse. So this was yet another different design. To place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on the number given below. The saree's price will be 1300 free shipping. So in that same design, we have one more color, a very beautiful looking light magenta with orange combination, dual tone. So this is a complete body look, the same design, floral jal, and this will be a orange color border, contrast border. So coming to the very last design, in the last design we have this three very beautiful colors. So I'll just open one for you. So this is one of our best selling colors as well, bottle green with Rani pink combination. So let's just have a full view. As you can see, the body of the saree is in very beautiful bottle green color tone with this zari woven floral pattern design in the complete body. And for the border, we have this Rani pink color brocade pattern border design, brocade checks. And this here is a pallu. We have this very beautiful Rani pink color brocade and boota. These are the three bootas and this is the brocade pattern, the complete pallu of the saree. And this is a blouse. Same fabric, semi-Dupion silk Banarsi saree. A very lightweight saree. This is a very comfortable saree, a very easy to wear, very easy to drape. You can wear it for as long as you want, and the weight is also very light. So it is a very comfortable saree. So in the same design, we have two more colors. So the very next color we have is this very beautiful mustard yellow with light green. This is the second combination. This is a complete body in a mustard yellow. And for the border, we have this light green color. This is the second color combination. And the last saree we have is this very beautiful royal blue The body of the sari is in royal blue with this sky blue color combination border. So this is the complete body of the sari, and this you will be having the border as well. So this was the very last sari. So to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on the number given below. So we'd also like you to please do share our page with your friends and family so we can help grow more, and you can also try to bring more and more collections for you. So stay tuned, we'll be coming back with short video series more.